Hi guys, welcome to MS Law City 5 years another podcast for the year 2021. 2021 का result आ गया है MS City 5 years 3 years दोनों का. So all those and those who have scored good marks जिनका rank आया हुआ है with all of them we are taking the podcast. So do watch all the podcasts. Those who are preparing for upcoming year काफी learning phase रहेगा. Today we have Varunika Shrimal from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. She cracked MH Law City with a score of 124 marks out of 150, and she joined us for the mock test program and CT Heist program. So Varunika, first of all, hi, congratulations.
Hi, sir. Thanks.
So after getting 124, how was the feeling कि यार 124 मेरा आ गया, मैंने सोचा नहीं था ऐसा था.
Unreal, but yeah, I was really happy.
Really happy. Okay.
Yeah.
And what about your parents, family
They were
member?
also really happy. Like, finally, it's over. The admission is done. It's pakka now.
पक्का हो गया, चलो पूरी मेहनत सक्सेसफुल.
Yeah.
Okay, so Varunika, one by one we'll start. Before we start, want to understand your academic background, 10, 12th, कौन से stream से, and
So,
how this law idea came into the picture.
the law idea came into picture very early, I must say. When I was in 6th, 7th standard, I was like, lawyer.
Okay,
It was there inherently. I don't know how, but yeah, it was always there.
so inherently you said family में how many people are there as a, I
Nobody
mean,
is a lawyer.
nobody is
My
lawyer.
sister is doing LLB, but yeah, except her, nobody is lawyer in my family as well.
Okay, okay, okay. And academic background?
Academic background, I studied from DPS Jodhpur throughout uh, 10th, 12th. In 12th, I was in humanities team, scored well in both, so that was a also nice moment for me. But
Mm-hmm,
after that, everything went down, flat,
mm-hmm,
failed.
mm-hmm.
So
So all those exams you haven't performed well,
no,
and
sir.
finally CT.
Yeah,
CT में हो गया.
yeah.
आइडली ऐसे ही होता है, यू शुड राइट 3-4 एग्जाम्स, तो एक में तो अपना सिलेक्शन होता ही है. दैट्स व्हाई ऑल टाइम रिकमेंड कि एक ही एग्जाम मत लिखो कि ये एग्जाम लिखेंगे और उसकी कोई गारंटी नहीं कि सिलेक्शन हो ही जाएगा.
That is why I filled mostly all the forms.
ऑल द फॉर्म, दैट इज गुड थिंग व्हिच यू हैव डन कि सारे एग्जाम्स के फॉर्म भर के लिख दिए एंड फाइनली यू गॉट सेलेक्टेड फॉर द सीटी. क्रैक हो गया अपना एंड जीएलसी और आईएलएस फॉर श्योर एडमिशन मिलने वाला है. All right. So coming to the preparation part, when you have started your preparation?
Uh, as I said, I was preparing for flat, so preparation started in, I guess, 12th mid. I was in coaching, so yeah, the preparation started. It went really well for the initial 2 to 3 months. Then COVID second wave hit us,
Mm-hmm.
and most of my family members were also positive. So everything went down, my study routine, everything, and it also affects our mental health too.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
when I got the grip of my preparation again, I guess it was too late. So my
Mm-hmm.
flat didn't go well. My ALET went well, but it was not up to the mark.
Mm-hmm. For Delhi
Then,
NLUs, right?
yeah,
Okay. After then, finally CT पे focus.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So how you got to know about us? Maneuver के बारे में कैसे मालूम पड़ा था?
As I said, I am from Jodhpur, so there is no specific coaching or anybody who can guide me or anyone who's interested in giving MSCT. Not even people don't know even the course, how to prepare. So
Mm-hmm.
I was on Google 24/7 that okay, if I have to crack this, I should know about it thoroughly. So I found your YouTube channel, then I saw all the videos, and then when CET Heist notification popped up, I was like, I have to join this. Otherwise, I was lost of where
Okay.
my preparation is going and all the things.
So finally CT heist help you to
Yeah, very much.
very much to boost your preparation.
Yeah.
You mentioned that you joined for the mock also. How was the mock experience?
I must say, all I did, like sectional preparation, was only from mocks for me in the last month
Okay.
because, as I said, I don't had any specific books or any person who can teach me. So it was all from mocks. I used to give mocks and then I used to analyze them very thoroughly. So
Okay, that
that's
is
how I prepare.
okay. That is good. You've written the mock and you have analyzed this properly because ideally people write the mock, but यार analyze कौन करेगा अभी 2-3 घंटा कौन
Yeah.
लगाएगा?
I learned from my mistakes of CLAT really well.
Okay, ideally we learn from our failure more.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine. Yes, Varanika. Next question regarding the what are the hurdles you came across while you were preparing? कौन सा section लग रहा था कि ये section तो पढ़ना ही नहीं है, मन नहीं कर रहा था, like all time hurdle, and कौन section में you perform well?
Legal and English was always my strong point. There was nothing to worry about. But when it came to logical reasoning, puzzles, I must say, and math, it used to scare me like anything. Kaise hoga? But I practiced a lot. I timed myself while doing the puzzle, so it helped me
Mm-hmm.
a lot.
Okay. In CT Heist also there were like 3 to 4 session we kept for the puzzle.
Yeah.
In
The
lots of
GK one was really helpful. I remember I watched that video for 4 times. So
okay.
all the memory was like stuck in here. You
Oh,
could
oh,
have asked me anything and I would have corrected it.
wow, great. So
Yeah.
after your preparation and after writing the mock test, when you
Yeah.
went for the D-Day exam, real exam,
Hmm.
compare करोगे preparation को, mock test को, maneuver के and real exam को. So how was your experience?
Obviously, mock tests are hard when we compare it to the real exam. So that initially gave a boost because I knew everything as now the paper was in 2 sections. English was very easy. Everybody knows that this year. So I was like, I can do this. And the fun part is the half an hour I was sitting there ideal. I checked my paper twice.
Oh,
Yeah.
क्या बात है, वेरी नाइस. मतलब आधे घंटे की नींद लेने तक का टाइम हो गया था, मतलब
Yeah.
1.5 घंटे में पेपर खत्म हो गया.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, great. I mean, this is what called hard work. You have done hard work, you have prepared well, or 124 you have hit it, right? So धीरे धीरे slowly सब चीजें होती है. Coming to the next question, what kind of what tips or suggestion you want to give to upcoming year aspirant?
Even if your preparation is not up to the mark or you don't feel like you can crack it, you have to be positive. Initially, it's about all mindset. If you
Uh,
are ready to crack it, if you know you will, then everything is going to fall in your bag. Because if you think like nahi hoga, so it's never gonna happen. And once
correct,
you're thinking positively, you work for it really hard because you have promised yourself something. And obviously, the practice matters a lot.
right.
Yeah.
So if you doubt about your confident, you are not confident enough, then your selection will be on toss,
Yeah,
right?
outing is okay, but when you doubt yourself, just give a mock. It will give you all your answers.
All your answers, where you
Yeah.
lack in, what section you find
Yeah.
yourself comfortable, where you are wasting your time, how to manage
Mm.
the time, your score.
Everything.
Correct. That is best part. When you doubt about yourself, write the mock,
Just give a mock.
just give a mock.
And even if the score is low, don't get disheartened. Okay, what will happen next?
Mhm.
It's all going to be good.
So overall journey of CET, if you want to summarize, how you will say?
Overall journey was really something I needed firstly because everything, flat, A-Lit, private college exams, after everything, I was like, this, so I have to crack it. There is nothing after this. So
Hmm,
I was very inspired. I used to inspire myself, read codes, practice. I was very disciplined, I must say, when the CET preparation was going on, and it helped me very well in cracking it.
okay. Discipline is the key for success, right?
Yeah.
Proper. Okay. Great. So guys, anything else you want to add, Nika, here? The viewer who are watching this podcast,
If
get
you
it.
practice, if you work hard, if you want it, you will get it.
You will get it. अपना selection पक्का है.
Yes,
अपन,
sir.
if you are with this mindset, your attitude towards the preparation with this mindset, you will get it. ठीक है, you will
And
get it.
you have to have a mindset first before
Hmm,
anything.
right.
The mindset is really important. How we approach things, how we approach even practicing, that also really matters.
Correct.
Mm.
Great. So basically, you have to be motivated throughout your preparation. That's
Yeah.
what she
And
wants to say.
nobody is going to motivate you. You have to motivate your own self.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
So guys, start preparing for MSCT. Those who are upcoming year aspirant, you have to keep motivated yourself. Be confident about your preparation. If you doubt about your preparation, write the mock test as Veronica said, and start your early preparation, mock writing, analysis. All these things you have to do. Practice selection. Hoga. You will get it. That's all, guys, in this video. Veronica, thank you and sharing your experience with regards to the CET preparation. And once again, congratulations
Thank you, sir.
to you. Okay, so here we'll say bye bye and take care. All the best for your career.
Thank you, sir.